If you're suffering from psoriasis and you've had it for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, there's a very strong chance you've been to many, many doctors, including skin specialists, dermatologists, high street specialists, and possibly practitioners on other modalities. My observation over 40 plus years has delivered to me this very powerful position, which is most of the practitioners in healing do not have a link. They do not understand why psoriasis is so prevalent and why by trying potions, lotions, creams, steroids, it doesn't work. You have to have a significant correlation of the links between what you eat, what you've been eating, what you eat, what you're going to eat to change your body alkalinity and acidity. Why am I saying that? Now, if you find this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, meticulously researched, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Also remember to press the link in below for the ebook that you'll find exceedingly powerful. Now, I'm going to show you a product that we've used successfully with psoriasis, and it was designed in America, and it comes in a pouch like this, and this pouch, you shake it, you squeeze it. This pouch, it's made from 3 top products, antioxidant product, but the power of the combination of these 3 products is so strong that it's actually equivalent to about 14 to 15 organic vegetables. So 1 pouch of that a day is tremendous for lifting your alkaline level up and your acidic level down. Plus, it's excellent for your liver and your pancreas, which will also help your psoriasis. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Also, remember to press the link in below for the ebook where you see the comments, and you'll have access to an excellent video which will help you to understand the balance of acidity and alkalinity and which food you should be eating.